Here's how to make AgentZero 10 times better in one single click. So AgentZero is one of the most powerful AI agents in the world. It is free to install. You can actually run it locally for free as well with Ollama. It's actually beaten OpenClaw when I've tested it directly. AgentZero just got 10 times more powerful and it only takes one click. So most people using AgentZero don't even know this skill exists. They're using it the basic way, the default way, and it's already impressive. But today we're going to unlock something that most people miss. There's a way to add special skills directly inside AgentZero. The skills to let it do something it literally can't do out of the box. I'm talking about generating images, creating videos, sending emails, building websites, things that would normally require like 5 different apps and 5 different subscriptions. Now, AgentZero can do it all for free. Sorry, AgentZero can do all of it. AgentZero itself is free to install. You can run it with Ollama. The skill we're going to install is not free, but everything else is. And the way we unlock this is with one single click using SkillBoss, right? Now, SkillBoss is a powerful way to basically get access to 100 different models and services with AI. So you can generate videos, images, chat with AI, send emails, host websites. You can integrate this with all your favorite apps. And also the cool thing about this is it can also even create like podcasts and all sorts of things. So you can see all the models you get access to when you install this inside OpenClaw. And the moment you add it, your AgentZero stops becoming like a smart assistant and becomes a full creative powerhouse. So we're gonna do this live together right now. On screen, you're gonna watch me add it, test it, and see exactly what it does. And if you ever wanted an AI that could actually do everything for you without maybe the bugginess of something like OpenClaw, not just chat, this is the video. So let's get straight into it. How do you get this started? Well, what you wanna do is just go to SkillBoss, as you can see. Then we're gonna go over here and we're gonna click on the download SkillBoss section. We're gonna download the skillboss.zip, as you can see, and then we will put that into the chat. Right, so if we go back to AgentZero, which I've actually got running locally. If you need help on setting this up, I've got a full guide inside the AI Profit Boardroom and a video tutorial. And then you can see this is working and ready to go. So let me just check it is set up and good to go. Yep, it's working. It responds pretty quickly as well, which I like. And then from here, what we're going to do is we are going to attach the skill.zip, which is here. This is from SkillBoss. And in one click, we can get this installed. So it's installing all the skills directly into AgentZero, which just makes it a lot more powerful. The cool thing about AgentZero as well that I like is because it's running inside Docker, we can just pause it, stop it whenever we want. So if we don't want it running in the background when we're doing like other stuff, or you're not using it, etc. directly, then you can always just stop it here and then replay it when you're ready to come back to it. And it will be hosted via this port, right? So if you're running it inside Docker, you can stop it, start it whenever you want, which means that it's not always running, it's not always online, etc. So from here, we've got the skill and D file set up. So let's just try, I don't know, creating something basic. Like we're going to say, okay, create a video animation of a cat running around a garden. And we've also got Remotion installed as well, which is a powerful extension for creating videos. So you can see it's now leveraging SkillBoss to get this set up if we zoom in. All right, so it's like loading the SkillBoss skill to create animation videos, and then it's going to start loading the tools. And from there, it can start prompting the AI to generate videos, images, podcasts, whatever you want. So now if we click on this and open up, you see that we've got the video generated, right? So now we can generate videos and the video looks pretty cool. Like it's pretty realistic. It's looking awesome. We could also, for example, generate images. So let's test this out. The other cool thing is when you're doing this, like it hosts it on a file. So if you're operating this from like a different machine, let's say, for example, you install this skill into OpenClaw, you can actually get the URL and then access it from anywhere, which is great because if you're, for example, running OpenClaw from a different machine and you're using the gateway directly, you won't be able to access a local file, right? And now we've got the image generated inside the chat as well, which is great. Boom. All right. You can also view like the full resolution over here. So that's the full image. Pretty amazing. That's a video that we generated as well. We could generate a website as well. So if we take the content from this page, we'll go back to AgentZero and we'll say, okay, create an interesting landing page for the AI Profit Boardroom community and deploy it to a subdomain URL. And then we'll just paste in the information from our website and it's going to use the SkillBoss workflow to start doing that directly, as you can see. So it's using this skill and it's going to build this as a HTML file. The other thing I like about this is like agents, you see how fast AgentZero is to respond. You don't really get that with OpenClaw. Like OpenClaw, even if I'm using like a, ChatGPT codex or something like that, it does seem pretty slow when it's responding, whereas something like this is way faster. So I do like that about AgentZero. Also, the cool thing is here, you can have multiple chats on the left-hand side, which means you can have multiple agents working in parallel, which you can do with something like OpenClaw, but you really need something like Discord set up with it directly to start using that functionality. Michelle says, Julian is on the ball on everything. Thank you very much. I just love testing out this stuff and seeing what you can do. It's amazing. And then also seeing yourself implement it into your business, like for example, like we use AI to create a lot of content. And, yesterday we reached 485,000 people in one day. The same for this website. It was built and deployed with OpenClaw. And you've probably seen like my AI avatar videos as well. So that like everything that we test on these videos, if it's good enough, we'll actually implement it into our business too. Now, in the meantime, if we're waiting for this to load, like this is a bigger job, right? So we can have another chat here and we can say, okay, using Skillboss, create a podcast about OpenClaw. And then it will actually use a voice generation API that we've connected with Skillboss directly inside the chat here. So just to recap, we've got this chat that's going to generate a podcast. We've got this chat generating the website, as you can see. And then also, we've generated the videos, the images, etc. And it's now deploying the build to this URL, right? So we've now got the live landing page. So I know, Michelle, you were asking before about like how to deploy projects. You can use Skillboss to actually help you do that, right? If you don't want to give your personal access token to Netlify, to an AI, you can just generate the page and then deploy it on a subdomain, as you can see, using AgentZero. It's pretty amazing. And the page itself as well looks really cool. Like, look at the logo that it's generated, the button, the way that AI's got this nice little countdown. The button to join is like nicely animated. The page itself looks beautiful, right? And it was all generated and deployed using AI, right? Using this new method of combining AgentZero with Skillboss. And then you can see it's broken down what's on the page, what is added, the live video URL. Plus we've got the local files if we need to edit the index HTML here. And then if you want to upload it to the site, it actually gives you the details on exactly how to do that, right? Let's go back to the podcast generator. So that's going to take a little while, I think, for the skills to load and that sort of thing. But the main point is, in one single click, as you've already seen today, we've made AgentZero way more powerful and autonomous by connecting it to Skillboss. And literally all you do is you upload the zip and then paste in this prompt, right? And we've created this video, images, we've generated a podcast. As you can see over here, we actually have the podcast ready to go. So you've got it there. It's a 5-minute podcast generated about OpenClaw. And then also we had the image generated and we redesigned this whole website in one single click and deployed it to a subdomain, as you can see right here. So it's pretty amazing what you can do. I don't think people truly understand the power of this. So thanks so much for watching. That is how to make AgentZero way more powerful. We actually have a 30-day plan on exactly how to implement this and really make the most of it, as you can see inside the video notes from today. So we've got the 30-day AgentZero upgrade framework. And why this matters is like, if you're a solopreneur, for example, or if you're a small business, right, the number one bottleneck for a solopreneur is capacity, right? So there's usually 1 or 2 people doing everything, like client work, content generation, lead generation, follow-up, delivery, and admin. Agents running skill-based frameworks don't replace you, but they do handle the repeatable, automatable work so that you can focus on the highest level of stuff, right? So for example, you can create videos, generate avatar videos and post it, right? AgentZero can, for example, like find trending topics, write a blog post, format it. It could pull in leads, write personalized outreach and actually send the emails for you, right? You can do all of that using this method right here. And if you're wondering, okay, what is AgentZero and why does it matter? Well, AgentZero is an open source AI framework. That means it's a system that can take instructions and actually go and do things, not just reply to a message. And I can browse the internet, write and run code, manage files, talk to other agents, and implement all this stuff for you, right? The problem is that most people run it out of the box and then it's really limited. But if you have Skillboss inserted, then you can generate AI avatar videos, you can create images, build and deploy websites, send emails, create podcasts and everything else, right, using this process. One World says, can you play the podcast? I won't play the podcast on the live stream just because it won't sound very good. I've done that before in the past and it just never sounds good when I play the audio back. Probably need to change my settings, but yeah, I just want to don't want to do that and mess up the video itself. So other people say, I need to be a developer to use AgentZero. Really, if you can read and file and paste it into Claude, you can run AgentZero, right? You literally just download the skill MD file, open up Claude, paste it in, ask Claude to drop it, and then drop it into AgentZero. You're good to go. Other people say, well, I tried AgentZero before and it didn't work for me. Honestly, if you don't have the skills installed into this, then it's not going to be as good. Enough people say, well, this is just another shiny new tool that won't actually save me time. Honestly, like you've seen, we've actually done real stuff with it, real use cases. I mean, generating thumbnails for videos would be awesome. Creating videos themselves would be amazing. And then also just creating websites like this is amazing. Like you could do this with blog posts or videos and that sort of thing. So the old way really was like people would skip setting up systems because it takes time. They keep doing everything manually and then they keep burning time on tasks that never get faster. Whereas if you set up this automation, it's a one-time win and you're good to go from there. So thanks so much for watching. If you want to get all the video notes from today, the 30-day plan, the 100 prompts, everything else that we've shown you today, plus the links and the resources, you've got that inside the AI Profit Boardroom. This is my AI automation community that focuses on saving you time, helping you grow and scale with AI automation. Inside the community, you have 2,500 members, so you can ask questions, get help, get support whenever you need to. Inside the calendar, you can jump on video calls, ask questions, get help, share your screen if you need to as well, if you're stuck with anything. And then also inside the classroom here, you can check out our 5-week course. It shows you how to go from beginner to expert with AI automation and how to build your first AI agent in under 5 minutes. On top of that, you'll get my best playbooks on, for example, X automations, newsletters, shorts, how to automate Instagram, AI avatar videos, etc. And then if we scroll down here, you can check out our SOP updates with daily updates on all the new tools, right? So for example, the notes from AgentZero right there. We've also done videos today on like 34 use cases for OpenClaw and Nano Banana integrations, AgentZero, and how to make it 10 times better in one click. And we just update this every single day with new videos, new tutorials, and show you exactly how to do all of this. We also have a 6-hour course on OpenClaw and how to use it. So link in the comments description to that, or just go to the AIProfitBoardroom.com.